Hey guys, welcome to Tacking channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube short. So if you want to make a YouTube short, you can make with your own video, which is less than 1 minute. Or uh, if you don't want to make videos by yourself, but you want to download it from online, now you can use Canva to make a beautiful or free video YouTube shorts. So let's do it. Go to Canva first. Now right here, one thing, YouTube shorts, enter. You'll find different type of templates here. Now just choose the best templates which is go with your channel, okay, or which is go with your what your content script. So I'm clicking on this. The first thing, you cannot take this crown or pro things because this is for paid version. If you want to use this pro versions, you must go for paid version. Okay, so you can use these things free, this one free, this one free. I'm just clicking this one to show you. Now customize this template. Okay, you can see the best phone in 2022. You can edit and write here anything like 23 seconds for Pro Max phone, or you can add any phones here. Subscribe our channel. You can double click and enter your channel name here. You can edit every portion you want. For Pro Max phone, this phone is good. If you are agree with it, then go. If you want to add any music here, go here first, apps, then your apps, sorry, not your apps, discover, and you'll find here audio. Click on audio and you can see there's many audio. You can use this audios, but which is not pro version. You can use these things. Click on this. Okay, if you like this audio, just you can use this for free. If you like the whole video, just click on top right and you'll find your download option. Click on download and just download it in your computer, and you can use it for your YouTube shorts. Okay, so if you don't know how to post a YouTube short, I'm going to show you in WikiHow for real quick how to put YouTube short in WikiHow. You can see here, go YouTube first. Now you can click on this plus icon. If you are in mobile, create a short. You can use this less than 60 seconds or 60 seconds. Then just add music. That's real quick. Or if you want to go for PC, or I'm gonna show you how to upload a YouTube shorts on PC. WikiHow. See here now. Okay, this one not. Use the bar title to create video. Select a visibility. To select a visibility, tab box below and title public or private, unlisted. You can also schedule time to upload. Okay, so in mobile this is super easy, but in PC it's also easy if you can do this. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.